today we will make a Korean omelet called
Gyeran Mari.
Yeah, so we will need some salt, eggs, chopsticks, carrot, and
Maybe some onion if you
have, but we don't have onion, so we use some herb. So the first step is,
mix the 3 eggs.
yeah, so we have here some chopsticks, but you can also use a fork.
Whisk.
Yeah,
Or fork.
you want to try?
Yeah.
Give it to me.
Give it to me. I recommend you try with chopsticks if you have.
It's easy. Yeah, it's very easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. You also need a stove
And
some cutlery.
yeah, I think we are ready. Now we have we will add a little bit of salt, and mix it again.
Yeah, mix a bit again.
Just a bit. Okay, we will put some vegetable oil in our frying pan. Just a bit, so it doesn't sticks or omelet.
Maybe we will need some more.
Yeah, a bit more. No?
It's enough. It's enough.
Yeah, and now we will put our half of our
Our mix.
omelet. Omelet. Do you want to put
Half of our eggs.
I think it's enough. A bit more. Yeah.
I think that we put kind of a lot of oil, and now we will have a very oily.
Put a bit more.
Also put a bit more over there. Yeah,
It's enough.
yeah, it's enough.
And now we have to add the vegetables, right?
Yeah, now we need to add some carrots of ours
On top.
on top. Yeah, and you may need a parent's help to do this because it will be pretty tricky also for a grown-up to do the next step.
Yeah, so now also add some.
I've done it before, so I will be able to do it.
Now we will roll it
Halfway.
halfway, yeah. So roll it
It's
halfway.
very oily for us. I don't know why we needed so
Let me
much
try,
oil.
Let me try.
We need to. Yeah, you're doing it. You're doing it.
And now,
Maybe roll it a bit more. And this is very thin as you may see.
yeah, so now we have to move a bit, right?
Yeah. Now
Wait a bit. Wait a bit.
Yeah, wait a bit.
A few
For it to
seconds.
harden a bit.
Wait a bit more. I think we can move it.
Yeah, I think we can move it. Look. We can
Like this.
Yeah, like
And
that.
now we will put the
The
rest
of our egg on the other half. Okay, that's great. And I will put the rest of our carrot.
Yeah. Because we have a bit more.
Okay, I think it's enough.
No, wait a bit.
Yeah. So we need to wait a bit. Ours will be very oily.
Again.
Yeah, we will continue rolling it.
Yeah,
it's starting
so roll it.
to roll it and then pull it again. And if you have more,
Wait a bit.
Yeah, and you need to wait a bit. Yeah, this should be stuck to this. Now we kind of need to turn it on the other side. So we like keep pressing it kind of to be cooked.
Okay, so our omelette is ready. It looks very, very
Yeah.
good. Looks delicious. So let's cut it.
And let's not stick knives into our eyes, into our friend's eyes. You need to hold it.
Yeah.
Cut it.
It looks yummy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's
Will
try
be
it.
delicious.
So it looks delicious.
Very hot.
It's delicious.
Still hot, but delicious.
You definitely have to try to go. Let's cut it.
It's also easy.
Yeah, it's very easy. You can eat it as breakfast, and it is delicious.
Yeah. And as always, like, subscribe, and also share with your friends. Don't forget, you can always learn this at school. Bye.
Yeah.